How can I link my PS4 Apex account to Steam?
Hello gamers! In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of linking your PS4 Apex Legends account to Steam. This can be a great way to expand your gaming options and make your experience more seamless. Let's jump into it.
Is your EA account ready?
Before we begin, ensure that you have an EA account. If you've played any game by EA, like Apex Legends on PS4, you most likely already have one. If not, you can create one by visiting the official EA website.
Connecting your PS4 Apex Legends account to your EA account.
The first step is to connect your PS4 Apex Legends account to your EA account. You can do this from within the game itself. When you launch Apex Legends on your PS4, you will see an option in the main menu to link your EA account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process.
Logging into Steam.
Next, you'll need to log in to your Steam account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create a Steam account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the store page and search for Apex Legends.
Installing Apex Legends on Steam.
Once you've found Apex Legends in the Steam store, go ahead and install the game. It's free to play, so you won't have to make a purchase. This process may take a while depending on your internet speed, so be patient.
Linking your EA account to Steam.
After installing Apex Legends on Steam, launch the game. The first time you launch the game, you will be prompted to sign in to your EA account. This is the same account you link to your PS4 Apex Legends account. Make sure to log in with the same EA account credentials that you used to link with your PS4 Apex Legends account. By doing this, you are essentially linking your PS4 Apex Legends account to Steam. And that's it. You've now successfully linked your PS4 Apex Legends account to Steam. This will allow you to play with the same account and keep all your progress across both platforms. We hope this video has been helpful and that you enjoy your expanded gaming options. Happy gaming!